Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy with Cash App on DHgate. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As of now, DHgate does not directly accept Cash App as a payment method. The platform primarily supports payment options such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, Alipay and bank transfers. If you prefer to use funds from your Cash App account, you can consider the following options such as using the Cash App card. Cash App provides a Visa debit card that can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. You can add this card to your DHgate account as a payment method. Ensure that your Cash App card has sufficient funds before making a purchase. Then second is to transfer funds to a bank account. Transfer the desired amount to your Cash App account to your linked bank account. Once the funds are available in your bank account, use your bank's debit or credit card to make purchases on DHgate. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.